Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus Vivobook S15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we'll be addressing a common issue, a cracked screen that also affects touch functionality. This can happen due to accidental drops or impacts, and if left unrepaired, it may lead to further damage, including issues with the display quality or complete loss of touch sensitivity. Now, let's gather the tools you'll need for this repair. You will require a screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, replacement screen, and adhesive strips. Make sure you have everything ready before we start. First, we need to open the device safely. Begin by powering down the Asus Vivobook S15 and disconnecting any peripherals. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry apart the back cover, taking care not to damage the clips. Once the back cover is removed, you'll have access to the internal components. The faulty component we're focusing on is the display assembly. You'll find it connected to the motherboard via a few cables. Carefully locate these connections to avoid damaging them. Now, unscrew the screws that secure the display frame. Remember to keep track of the screws as they can be easily lost. Once the screws are out, gently lift the display assembly from its frame. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, disconnect the cables that attach the display to the motherboard. It's crucial to do this slowly and carefully to prevent any damage to nearby components. With the display now fully detached, take your replacement screen and position it correctly in the frame. Reconnect the cables securely, ensuring everything is aligned properly. Now, we'll need to reassemble the device. Replace the screws back into their original positions, applying a gentle but firm pressure. Make sure everything is tight but avoid over-tightening, as this could cause more damage. Finally, attach the back cover and press it down until you hear the clips snap into place. Power on your device to check that the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from arising again, consider using a protective case or screen protector to absorb any shocks from accidental drops. Regularly inspect your device for any cracks or damage and address them promptly. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.